Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, here's the summary of the poem Daffodils by William Wordsworth. Let's begin. William Wordsworth's passion for nature is well known. That is why he is referred to as the poet of nature. William Wordsworth is a true worshipper and ardent lover of nature. It was a creed for him. According to him, nature is a teacher and a preacher. In this poem, the poet has beautifully presented before us the healthy, ennobling, purifying, and enduring impact of nature on human beings. The poem was written in the year 1802. It was first published in 1807. The very starting line of the poem, "I wandered lonely as a cloud," informs about the poet's profound sentiments of being left alone. It was actually the death of his brother John that led him to loneliness. In the first stanza, the poet describes a time when he was wandering and suddenly he saw a patch of daffodils beside a lake under the trees. They were moving their heads and dancing in the breeze. The poet compares himself with a cloud floating in the sky over the valleys and the hills. Suddenly, he viewed a large number of daffodils gathered by the side of a lake. In the second stanza, the poet beautifully compares the daffodils with the shining stars of the Milky Way. According to him, they were stretching in a never-ending line. They were packed together. He could see thousands of them moving their heads in a lively dance. In the third stanza, the poet has used personification again to describe the movement of the waves as dance. He says that the shining waves of the lake danced in happiness, but the daffodils performed better in happiness than the sparkling waves. He further adds that a poet could only be happy and nothing else in such a delightful company. In the fourth and last stanza, the poet tells that whenever he is empty-minded or in a thoughtful mood, he is calmed and comforted by the memory of the beautiful dancing daffodils. As said by John Keats, "A thing of beauty is a joy forever. Its loveliness increases, it will never pass into nothingness." His heart is filled with pleasure and dances with the daffodils. This poem is a fascinating tribute to nature and its manifestations in all its glory. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. And also don't forget to click the bell icon. Thanks.